So this is a standard version of our cabin with a top load. You lift up the glass a little bit. It has the safety switch. We've got the electricity, the power supply to the pedal, to pump and to the air valve. The light switch and the wiper. The left pedal is to activate the pump, so you will be able to make everything hands-free. You don't need hands. You can continue working with the switch in between the modes. Left mode is for the pump. Right pedal is for the air supply. So after we clean up the pot, normally there is some media left, so instead of installing extra gun with the water, we can use just the right pedal, which gives us the air. But when we have the air going in, it actually sucks some water which is left in the hose, and this water doesn't contain media, since all the media will go down due to gravitation, so we actually clean the pot from the media. As you can see, it goes water without media plus air. So this is what we can do after that. And also another advantage it gives, it's we can clean up the pump just by locking the hose, locking the injector. We can make reverse airflow. This way we blow out from the pump all the residue we have, and the pump will be clean. It's good to use when you're cleaning it, just when you're replacing the media or the water. This is the result. There can be an exhaust, external pump with electrical valve, with a junction box, with a valve adjustment. This is how it looks.